Hey everyone, with this tutorial I want to show you how we can export textures and masks from World Creator and after using 3ds Max. First we need to decide which resolution we need. We need to go to the terrain and on the right side you can see the size that we have right now. If we want to increase, we need to choose higher numbers. And now we have 8K landscape. Okay, now we need to go to the export setting, click plus, click again on export present and choose the map we want to export. The first will be the height map, it's the same like displacement. We need to choose EXR in a format and type the name. For me it will be M16 8 map. You can see we have a 8K on export and we can click export button. To open our export folder, click on this icon and this is our 8 map. We can disable this 8 map, create a new one and choose color map. Color map is a diffuse map. We can choose GPG format and change the name and hit export. Now we can disable color map from export settings and add a new map. It will be a normal map for us. When we finished with the main maps, now we can start making masks. For this task we need to duplicate each of our materials we have, just holding Ctrl Shift left mouse click and drag it. It will make a copy. We need to choose our new duplicate material and change the color on the white and disable the gradient settings. We need to do the same for other duplicate materials, for grass, flows and lake ground. And we can create a new material, move it below and make it black. As we have a rock material the first in the layers, we need to leave it white, and other materials must be a black color. So what you see is on the model, it's a rock. White color is a rock. And we can go to the export and choose the color map. Change the name and hit export. Now color map will generate from what we see on our viewport. This is a result of our rock mask. The next step is to make a rock material mask black color and click on the grass material and make it white. Now we can go to the export settings, choose color map, change the map name and hit export. This is our grass mask. So the next step is to make a grass mask black and move to the next material we want to export as mask. We need to make it white. Go to the export settings, change the name and hit export. Now I will speed up the video and export flow and lake ground mask. So after when we're done with exporting our maps, we can click on the height map, and below we can see the sizes of our plane, which we need to remember and use in 3ds Max. Let's create a plane in 3ds Max. Change the sizes from the world creator we have. Now we need to drop our displacement map here. And type the numbers that we have in World Creator in the displacement modifier. So now we have our mesh. Sometimes we'll have a border pixel on the terrain, but it's not a problem. We need to add edit poly modifier, choose the borders selection, click on it and hit delete. It will remove. Now we can convert in an editable poly and we can optimize our mesh. For this we need to add the optimizer modifier. And we can change settings and use which one we want. Now we can convert in editable poly and after start making our textures. This happened because we used optimize modifier. To fix this we can add a new UVV map. I will add a quick light. Now we can start using our masks. We need to create corona layer material first. In layer 1 we will put rock material. For now I will make it just a red color. And you will see how it works with the masks. This map is a rock mask. We need to connect to mask 1 slot. And now let's assign a material on the terrain. Oh, here is the result. And we need to make the same for the grass, flow, all our masks if we want to add details with the displacement. Here I'm importing the grass mask.